Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals 1/4 mile at a time. Now, you may be thinking, where in the world has Heidi been? And I just want to offer something to you in case you haven't done this. I hope you've done this already. I hope you have. But if so, I will just be preaching to the choir, and that's awesome. When I am on vacation, I am 1001% on vacation. 1001%. What does that look like? It looks like I don't pick up my phone. It looks like my phone is on airplane mode. It looks like I don't open social media. It looks like I am recharging me. I know from the moment I got my phone, way back in the day, it was a pink Motorola Razr flip phone. I named my phone Change My Life. I knew that having this new phone was going to change everything, and it did. It did. It changed the way I take pictures. It changed the way I thought about taking pictures. It changed the way I interact with the world, and it changed the way the entire world interacts with each other. It is fascinating. But because I knew that, I've been very intentional about how I use my phone. I have very specific rules. If I am in a room with friends, I am not on my phone. I am present. 100%, 101%. It's just for sure. It is not chained to me. I am not constantly checking it. It is an accessory. It is a tool. It is not a part of me. So I hope that you have made those decisions for yourself. I hope that you're not at a restaurant checking your phone when your loved one is across the table from you and wanting to have a conversation. No judgment. But I hope that you've decided to do that. Because ultimately, if we don't decide to do that, this can become a real distraction. And then when you do take a vacation, when you really need to unplug, when you really need to get some rest, there's just something about this piece of technology that can impede that. So I highly recommend, if you haven't tried it, to take a break. Turn it off. Walk away. Sit quietly with yourself. Sit quietly with your loved ones. Be present. Be undistracted. So I just highly encourage it 1,000%. So in addition to the fact that I was on vacation and 1,001% present with myself, it was really cold, so I wasn't really going outside. I'm a fair weather walker of circles, let me tell you. It's a little chilly today too, but it's okay. No judgment. Again, on vacation. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope this encourages you to set your own boundaries, to make your own decision, to decide to be present, because that's what we have. Today is a gift. So be present, turn off your phone, put it in your pocket, and if you're on vacation, enjoy it. I know for me, it has been a struggle back and forth in my mind and my heart to decide. I love to read, and so it is so convenient to have a book on your phone or on your iPad as opposed to carrying one. Also taking notes. I love a notepad. I love a piece of paper. I love a pen. but then you can do the same thing on your phone. So I kind of vacillate back and forth between those things because mostly because of the boundaries I've set about being on my phone, about being present. So those are decisions that you can make for yourself, but ultimately I highly encourage you to set your own boundaries, make your own decisions about it. But I can just say for me that my little vacation was super relaxing and truly filled me up, and that's what I needed. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope this encourages you. My timer is going off. Like, talk about distractions. I hope you have a fantastic day, and you'll see me a little bit this week, and then I gotta go on vacation again, but that's the way it is. It's the season. I hope you have a great day.